Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both machines are reachable on the same LAN. This avoids permission and routing issues. Once done, enable network discovery and file and printer sharing in Settings Network and Internet Sharing options so Windows advertises resources. Next, open File Explorer and click Network or press Win plus E then Network. You should see the other PC listed. You do this now because visibility is required before browsing or connecting to shared folders, and it reduces later credential errors. Now you navigate to the remote computer's shared resources and understand how Windows addresses them. Expand the PC node to reveal shared folders. If no folders appear, try the UNC path such as \\\, PC name \share or \192. 168. 1. 10 \share to bypass discovery issues. To keep access convenient, map a network drive, right-click a shared folder, and choose Map Network Drive, and check Reconnect at Sign-In. Doing this saves time. Finish by verifying permissions so the intended users can open or modify files. Set both share level and NTFS permissions to avoid conflicts. If Windows prompts for credentials, add them in Credential Manager so access persists. Make sure Windows Firewall allows file and printer sharing. Disable third-party firewalls temporarily if needed. If a folder still won't appear, ping the host and use the UNC path to test direct access. These steps isolate network, permissions, and firewall problems so you can fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.